Welcome back to yet another episode of Our Meets, and today we're doing a car edition because, hey, it is what it is. When you meet people on the streets, and when you meet people that are making this city and this nation what it is from a fashion and creative perspective, we always need to give flowers and flowers to your king, Salibonan.
Salibonan here. Well, I'm just checking out whether my body is sitting out well. Hi guys, hope you well. My name is Marcus, aka the Energy Dokotela. Hey, forgot with the voice, I just needed some water so that the voice is wetter and softer. But yeah, my name is Marcus, one half of Calligraph, as well, working and co-creating the Skin Strobe Fabrik Party, working and co-curating Downtown Conversations. What's the other one? There's
so many things.
At Pasa is collectively that's all of those things that we do all together. But the spotlight and this March is on the 26th, where we actually hosting our 7th edition of the Fabrik Party.
Yeah.
So super happy, super excited. I can't wait for you to come through on Sunday. So it's gonna be electric, guys.
I know it's going to be electric. 7th edition after 2 years.
Yeah.
So for you as a curator, why do you do what you do?
It's
because it's not. I know it's not easy.
It's not easy, but I mean, like,
why? What keeps you going?
What keeps you going?
Yeah, what keeps you going?
From a personal point of view,
yep.
I live by just this understanding that let love lead, right? Those are some of the keywords that are very important to me from a personal point of view, right? Let love lead in all that you do, right? Mm-hmm. Then from a whole bigger picture point of view, it's important for us to build community. It's important for all of us really to remind each other that we are important to each other, but to value each other and to see ourselves through our gifts and to let our gifts really shine and speak volumes for us, because our gifts are vessels and portals that can also represent who we are as Zimbabweans, who we are as a nation, who we are, and what we actually got to offer to the rest of the world. So I feel like who we are at the space of where we are at, really, that's what all that we are trying to do with all of these different platforms and all of the work that we do.
Oh, I love that. Thank you so much, and look forward to seeing you on Sunday. Where can people get tickets?
People can get tickets at the Fifth Floor Art Gallery. You can come through. If you get at the Fifth Floor Art Gallery, you can ask for PK. You can ask for Rodney Baza. Definitely they'll be there. If you got my number, you can get through my DMs. Get through my DMs. You can reach out to me. You can reach out to Ule Nogantlovu. You can reach out to Nyasha Jeche. You can reach out to Jackson Graham. You can reach out to Rode Bissam. Reach out to all other people, guys. But just come through. Yeah.